guys, my name is Ojas and I'll be showing you how to do Mayurasana or Peacock pose. So before we get started, I'll tell you the advantage of it. It helps remove detoxification from our body. It helps improve our digestive system. It helps reduce constipation from our body. It helps make our shoulder, wrist, spine, and elbow stronger. And the most important one, it makes our belly button or navel stay in the correct position, which is the center. Now I'll tell you the people who should not do this Mayurasana. So the people who are facing heart disease, hernia, high blood pressure, or problem in their intestine should not do this Mayurasana. So now we got benefits done and the people who shouldn't do done. I'll tell you step by step how to do Mayurasana. So I'll start off with the hand placement. Our wrist should be facing outward and our fingertips should be facing towards you. And the difference between both our arms should be 5 inches. And our elbows should be tucked in around our belly button. It shouldn't be higher because that won't give you any benefit. It can be lower but shouldn't be higher. So around our belly button and our head. Most of the people tend to look forward, but it's better to look straight down. That will give you a straight Mayurasana. It's okay if you start to go up or down, but try to make it straight. And our legs done, breathing, the most important one. Many people get confused in their breathing. As soon as you do your Mayurasana, you inhale and you hold your breath. If you want to do it for a longer period of time, you slowly take slowly. Exhale and inhale. That's the breathing part. And if you just want to do it one time, you just hold your breath and when you're done, exhale. So 5 inch done. Elbows need to be tucked in and look straight down. And in 3, 2, 1, we inhale. 3, 2, 1, inhale. And slowly come down and exhale. So thank you guys, that was how to do Mayurasana.